today I'll be teaching you about how to do a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch, since those are the most common stitches that you will use when you are beginning to sew. So yeah, let's get started. Right here, I have my piece of fabric. I will be using cotton fabric today, and I have 2 straight lines on this fabric for video purposes. And it is used with chalk. You could also use chalk to do straight lines, and the chalk will wash right on out. So now I'm about to set my tension to 7. And right here is the stitch I'm going to be using. And that is this one right here, and it's in the left position, and which is still a straight stitch. And I will be showing you number 3, which is a zigzag stitch, later on. But now let's do the straight stitch. So first, what you want to do is line the chalk up to the hole that's in your presser foot. And you could always check it by putting your presser foot down and making your needle go down into the fabric to make sure it lined up correctly, what you see me doing right here. And then just put your needle back up. So now we can begin sewing. Make sure your pressure foot is down, or you won't be able to sew. So sew a little bit. Then what you want to do is stop and back stitch so you could secure your stitches. So this is the button right here to back stitch. And you want to back stitch at least about 1/2 inch, or to begin back to the beginning of your stitch. After that, you just want to continue sewing forward. Now let's continue sewing forward until you get to the end. Then you want to stop at this end and back stitch again, because you don't want your sewing efforts to go to waste. Then continue forward. Now lift the presser foot up and pull your fabric out and cut the thread. Make sure you cut the back of the thread as well. Now we're about to do the zigzag stitch. And let's turn my machine to 3. So my sewing machine has the zigzag stitch is in the middle of the presser foot. So make sure you line it up right there in the middle. And now we can begin sewing. Now just sew exactly how you're doing the straight stitch. Make sure you back stitch. And then let's continue sewing. Once you get the hang of it, it's not hard to do. You just got in the fabric with your hand, but really the machine is doing most of the work for you. We've gotten the fabric through the machine. Get to the end and you're gonna back stitch and cut the thread. And then you all done. That's how you do a zigzag stitch. Right there. And then this is how you do the straight stitch. You see the back stitching that you did right there. Then you continued on doing the regular stitching. Then you see the rest of the back stitches you did. And that's how you do a zigzag and a straight stitch. That will help you on your first project.